Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the SP 500 for Thursday, October the 7th, 2010. Well, another small-bodied candle, certainly not as small as the body of the previous day's candle. And it's a small red body, and it means that the sellers have made net bearish progress on the day between the open and the close. So partially we're getting some ascendancy from the bears here, but they really weren't strong enough to close this market in control. They actually failed to close the market below the midpoint level of the range. So the buyers actually closed this market in control, even though we have a red-bodied candle. We can also see the longish shadow on the bottom of the body of the candle, and that represents upside price rejection, as the area around the 1150 region, which was previous resistance, has now had its influence as support, and we know that support and resistance can interchange fairly quickly. That's what's happened here, and the buyers have come in fairly solidly to close the market back up above the midpoint level. Now, the large shadow on the bottom of this candle represents a loss of commitment from the bears throughout the trading day. Certainly not much bullishness in this market, however. Now, the bulls did test the area at 1163, and there was a downside price rejection as well, with the market closing near the midpoint level, just above it. And we can see the small body on the the small shadow on the top of the body of the candle. It's some downside price rejection early in the trading day. Now, the market is trading up above the cloud, so we do have an overall positive bias to the market, and also trading up above the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen. So that reflects the market being bullish in the medium-term and fast-term timeframes. Now, the Kijun-sen is still pointing up fairly sharply, reflecting strong upside momentum. And when we look at the series of higher peaks and higher troughs, we can see that the market is very strong in that second-term timeframe. Just looking at the Tenkan-sen, though, the angle of that has lessened somewhat, and that reflects the congestion that the market's been in for the last couple of days. So the market isn't really making any substantial move to the upside. We're bound by this 1163 region of resistance. Now, if the market does come off, then obviously this 1150 area is important, and we have the Tenkan-sen just down below there at 1147, so that will offer fairly strong support as well. Just below there, we have strong support offered at around 1133 too. And then a series of windows and the Kijun-sen and some other strong areas of support all the way down below, down to the cloud, which is down around 1070. To the upside, obviously 1163 is very important for this market. Will we see a breakout over the next few trading days? We did see a breakout 3 trading days ago now. Very strong bullish candle. The market's having a bit of a rest. The trend is up, so the probability is in favor of there being an upside breakout, although there isn't any strong indication of that at the moment. So a strong upside breakout and a strong bullish close above 1163 would probably see the market trade up to around the 1170 region, or 1173, where we have some strong resistance. And there isn't really any resistance between here and that area. So we should be watching to 1163 for any movement to the upside, but also importantly the area around 1150.